Navel ill. It occurs as a result of infection entering via the umbilical cord. It is a disease of young calves. It is also called as omphalitis. Before treating the animal, restraining of the animal should be done. Restraining of the animal helps to handle the animal gently during the treatment. Bacterial infections via the umbilicus are much higher when calves are born in dirty calving environment. Differential diagnosis of navel ill should be done against the localized peritonitis, urachal infections, and umbilical hernia. In this case, the abscess is filled with pus. Immediately after restraining the animal, the abscess should be washed with 1% potassium permanganate solution. PP solution is generally used for wet dressing of wounds. Immediately after the wet dressing, closed abscess is opened and the pus is drained manually. Navel ill is mostly confined to navel. Primary sign of the navel ill is swollen and painful navel, and navel does not dry up. Immediately after draining the pus from the abscess, now the remaining pus should be cleaned with cotton. After the removal of entire pus from the abscess, iodine is rubbed against the inner wall of the skin with the help of cotton. This process is called disinfection of skin. Iodine is antiseptic in nature. Immediately after the disinfection, the gauze cloth is immersed in the iodine solution. Gauze cloth is nothing but a bandage. Now the navel region should be smeared with the gauze cloth which is immersed in the iodine. This method is repeated for 3 to 4 days until the abscess is completely healed. Early treatment is necessary to prevent the infection spreading. Infected animals should be separated and treated with antibiotics and painkillers. Antibiotics like penicillin is preferred in this case. After smearing of the gauze cloth into the abscess, the animal is supported by meloxicam and penicillin injections. As meloxicam is a potent NSAID, it will help in reduction of pain to the animal. Penicillin is prescribed due to its antibacterial activity. Please check the previous videos of retention of placenta, artificial insemination, and lumpy skin disease.